Yo, what's up everybody, it's Mark and we're back again with another TV review. This time, we're diving deep into the Samsung 70-inch Class DU7200 Series Crystal UHD 4K Smart Tizen TV, model UN70DU7200FXZA SQ6575142, and it's currently priced at $479.99. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what this TV is all about, and whether it's the right fit for your living room. Alright, let's kick things off by talking about the specs. When it comes to choosing a TV, understanding the specifications is crucial. It's not just about the size or the brand, the internal components and features can make a significant difference in your viewing experience. First up, we've got that 70-inch Crystal UHD display. And trust me, it's a looker. This massive screen is perfect for those who want a cinematic experience right in their living room. Whether you're watching movies, sports, or playing video games, the size and clarity of this display will immerse you in the action. Samsung's Crystal UHD technology uses a layer of nanocrystals that act as a filter, absorbing and emitting light at very specific wavelengths. This advanced technology ensures that the colors you see on the screen are as close to real life as possible. The nanocrystals work tirelessly to provide a more dynamic and vibrant picture, making every scene pop with color. This results in more vibrant and accurate colors, especially noticeable when you're watching HDR content. High Dynamic Range, or HDR, enhances the contrast and color range of the display, making the bright areas brighter and the dark areas darker. This means you get a more realistic and immersive viewing experience. Speaking of HDR, this TV supports HDR10, HDR10+, and HLG, which means you'll enjoy a wider range of colors and contrast in compatible content. HDR10+ is particularly impressive as it adjusts the brightness and contrast levels on a scene-by-scene basis, ensuring that every frame looks its best. Under the hood, you've got a Crystal Processor 4K, responsible for upscaling lower-resolution content to near 4K quality. This processor is the brain of the TV, analyzing every frame and optimizing it for the best possible picture quality. Whether you're watching old DVDs or streaming low-resolution videos, the Crystal Processor 4K ensures that everything looks sharp and clear. It analyzes the image, sharpens edges, and reduces noise to make it look as crisp and clear as possible on that big 70-inch screen. This means you can enjoy your favorite shows and movies in stunning detail without any distracting artifacts or blurriness. In terms of refresh rate, we're looking at a standard 60 Hz panel, which is perfectly fine for most content. While it may not be the highest refresh rate available, it's more than adequate for watching movies, TV shows, and even casual gaming. For most users, the difference between 60 Hz and higher refresh rates is barely noticeable. The DU7200 comes with Samsung's Motion Rate 120 technology, which uses software algorithms to interpolate frames and reduce motion blur. This is particularly useful for fast-paced content like sports or action movies, where smooth motion is crucial. The technology ensures that you get a clear and fluid picture, even during the most intense scenes. For audio, you've got a 2-channel speaker system with Dolby Digital Plus support. While the built-in speakers are decent for everyday use, they might not provide the depth and richness that audiophiles crave. Dolby Digital Plus enhances the audio quality, making it more immersive and enjoyable. It's decent, but for serious audio quality, I recommend investing in a dedicated soundbar or surround sound system. A good sound system can make a world of difference, bringing your movies and shows to life with rich, detailed sound. Plus, it's a great way to enhance your overall viewing experience. Moving on to the design, the DU7200 rocks a sleek and minimalist aesthetic with slim bezels around the screen. This modern design ensures that the TV looks great in any room, blending seamlessly with your decor. The slim bezels also mean that you get more screen real estate, making your viewing experience even more immersive. The back of the TV is relatively thin, and it comes with a standard Visa mount if you want to wall mount it. This makes it easy to set up and ensures that it looks great from every angle. Whether you place it on a stand or mount it on the wall, the DU7200 is designed to be both functional and stylish. The DU7200 comes with 3 HDMI ports, 2 USB ports, an Ethernet port, and an optical audio output. This variety of ports ensures that you can connect all your devices from gaming consoles to streaming devices without any hassle. The multiple HDMI ports are particularly useful for those who have several devices to connect. It's also got built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so you can easily connect all your devices wirelessly. This means you can stream content from your phone, tablet, or computer without any messy cables. The wireless connectivity options make it easy to set up and use, providing a seamless and convenient experience. So that's a quick overview of the key features of the Samsung 70-inch class DU7200 Series Crystal UHD 4K Smart Tizen TV. With its impressive display, advanced technology, and sleek design, it's a fantastic choice for anyone looking to upgrade their home entertainment system. Whether you're a movie buff, a sports fan, or a casual viewer, this TV has something to offer for everyone. Let's start with the good stuff, the pros of this TV. There are quite a few, so let's dive right in. First and foremost, the picture quality on this thing is fantastic, especially for the price. Whether you're watching movies, sports, or playing video games, the visuals are crisp and clear. The Crystal UHD display delivers vibrant and accurate colors that pop off the screen. It's like having a mini cinema right in your living room. HDR content looks phenomenal, with a wider range of colors and contrast that adds depth and detail to the picture. You'll notice the difference in scenes with bright highlights and deep shadows. Black levels are surprisingly good for an edge-lit LED TV. Dark scenes look deep and rich, which enhances the overall viewing experience, especially in a dimly lit room. The upscaling engine also deserves a shout-out. It does a remarkable job of taking lower resolution content and making it look almost as good as native 4K. I tested it with some older 1080p content, and it did a great job of sharpening the image and reducing noise. This means you can enjoy your old favorites with a new level of clarity. Moving on to the smart features, the Tizen operating system is one of my favorites. It's intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy to find what you're looking for. It's snappy, responsive, and easy to navigate. You won't find yourself frustrated with lag or slow load times. You've got access to all the major streaming services like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney+, Hulu, and more. This TV makes it easy to switch between your favorite apps. The remote control is also really well designed. It's simple yet functional, with a layout that makes sense. It's small, comfortable to hold, and has all the buttons you need without feeling cluttered. Plus, it has dedicated buttons for popular streaming services, which is a nice touch. Another pro of this TV is its design. It's not just about what's on the screen. The TV itself looks great. The slim bezels and sleek profile give it a modern and minimalist look that blends in well with most living room setups. It doesn't dominate the room but rather complements it. Okay, so we've covered the good stuff. Now let's talk about the cons. One of the main drawbacks of this TV is its limited viewing angles. The picture quality starts to degrade if you're sitting too far off to the side. Another con is the lack of local dimming. The DU7200 doesn't have this feature, which means that black levels aren't as deep as they could be. While the 60 Hz refresh rate is fine for most content, it's not ideal for gaming or watching fast-paced action. The sound quality is also just okay. The built-in speakers are decent enough for casual viewing, but they lack bass and fullness. One minor gripe I have is that the TV only comes with 3 HDMI ports. Finally, while the Tizen operating system is generally good, it can be a bit overwhelming at first. Alright, let's take a closer look at the Smart Tizen platform, which is the brains behind this TV. Tizen is Samsung's proprietary operating system designed to offer a seamless and intuitive user experience. It's not just about watching TV, it's about transforming your living room into a hub of entertainment and productivity. One of the first things you'll notice about Tizen is how clean and intuitive the user interface is. The layout is designed to be user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to navigate through the various options and settings without feeling overwhelmed. When you turn on the TV, you're greeted with a home screen that displays your favorite apps, recent channels, and recommendations based on your viewing history. This personalized touch ensures that you always have quick access to the content you love, right at your fingertips. Navigating through the menus is a breeze thanks to the well-designed remote control. The remote is ergonomically designed, fitting comfortably in your hand, and the buttons are intuitively placed for easy access. The remote also has a built-in microphone which allows you to use voice commands to search for content, control playback, and even ask Bixby, Samsung's voice assistant, for information. This feature adds a layer of convenience, making it easier to interact with your TV without having to navigate through menus manually. Speaking of apps, Tizen has you covered with a comprehensive selection of streaming services, games, and productivity tools. Whether you're in the mood for a movie night, a gaming session, or even some work, Tizen's App Store has something for everyone. Beyond streaming, Tizen offers a variety of other apps to enhance your TV experience. You can download games to play with family and friends, or productivity apps to help you stay organized and efficient. One of the standout features of Tizen is its universal guide. This guide aggregates content from various streaming services and live TV, making it easier for you to find what you want to watch without having to switch between different apps. Tizen also supports screen mirroring, so you can easily share content from your smartphone, tablet, or laptop to the big screen. This feature is perfect for showing off photos, videos, or even presentations, making your TV a versatile tool for both entertainment and productivity. So after breaking down the features, pros, cons, and that impressive Tizen platform, who is this TV actually for? Well, if you're after a large immersive screen for movies, TV shows, and casual gaming, the Samsung 70-inch DU7200 is a solid contender. It offers a lot of bang for your buck, especially if you can catch it on sale. The 70-inch screen size is perfect for larger living rooms, and the 4K resolution ensures crisp, detailed visuals. The Crystal UHD display technology delivers vibrant and accurate colors, and the HDR support further enhances the viewing experience. The smart Tizen platform is another major selling point, providing access to a vast library of streaming services, apps, and games. However, it's important to acknowledge that the DU7200 does have some limitations. The 60 Hz refresh rate might not be ideal for hardcore gamers or action movie enthusiasts. Overall, the Samsung 70-inch class DU7200 Series Crystal UHD 4K Smart Tizen TV is a great value for the price. That about wraps it up for this deep dive into the Samsung 70-inch class DU7200 Series Crystal UHD 4K Smart Tizen TV. I hope this video helped you decide if this TV is the right fit for your needs. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.